In a quaint home, a curious child meets a playful bunny in the sunny yard. Watching from afar, Lily sees the rabbit struggle for the dangling prize. Ignoring danger, she reaches out to aid the furry friend, stirring parental worry. Swiftly moving, her guardians intervene, collaborating to craft a makeshift means to aid in the task. With a twinkle in his eye, the rabbit unveils his secret power, offering the child a single desire. Festivities abound as loved ones gather, the rabbit by her side, a silent sentinel of joy. Secrets unveiled, hearts touched, the rodent hailed a hero, bringing unity and delight. With hopeful eyes closed, a silent wish escapes her lips, a simple desire for joy and health. In a moment of bliss, candles flicker and fade, a grin shared between child and companion, sealing their bond.